Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Let's see what the cards are going to say today. Let's pick the first card, the star card. It's a beautiful card, the star card. So let's pick one more card so that I can combine and then I can do the reading. Oh, the star and the moon. That's an amazing combination and the symbol of the triple moon goddess, which I really love. The cards just surprise me many a times because today again I was guided to pick the first card from the left and the last card from the right, and the combination that it came, and the star card is more like again an angel blessing. And usually when this card comes, it is basically that there is someone up there guiding us. Only thing is we need to look inside our conscience. See, if you see here, we need to look inside our conscience and get the right message, and work on what blessings that they are wanting to give, and take the blessings and move forward in life. So maybe the card is saying that see the message that I am there to give you as an angel, and work on that message. Now coming to the moon card, this moon card is basically like if you see here, actually the pendant, if you see, is tied to the dogs, if you see closely, right? So when you see that closely, it is basically that lot of good things is coming. I feel it's good things only. I feel that you need to work on how to keep yourself protected, how to keep yourself safe. At the same time, you also need to work on how to move forward in life, and how to come out of the fear that is stopping you, or that is not allowing you to work on your inner self and be successful. Here also, if you see, it talks about, see in your subconscious what guidance you're getting. So both the cards are saying that the universe is ready to guide you. You need to accept that guidance, and you need to work on it so that you are successful and you are able to move forward in life. Today I feel, do a cord cutting ritual with Archangel Michael. And if you're not aware of cord cutting ritual, then maybe what you can do is, in YouTube you find a lot of cord cutting videos. Work on a cord cutting video and do the cord cutting, and after you do the cord cutting, have a salt water bath today. The color should be white because I feel you need a lot of clarity, so work on the color white. And also, when you come back in the evening, pick up some rice or wheat and donate it to some temple and come, so that whatever it is that is stopping you and creating the fear goes. Now this wheat that you will donate in the temple, see to that you are donating a good quantity of wheat and not just half a kg or something, because you are letting go of the fears and attracting abundance in your life. Have a blessed day.